23,000 documents were submitted in 2019. The case that they're asking me about is a 20-year-old case. This is politically motivated. We abide by all rules and regulations when we do any kind of transactions, and this is definitely politically motivated, and they can ask me as many questions. All the answers are given, all documents are given, and this is it. I think the ruling government always misuses the agency, and I'm having to face the same at this point of time. But I'm here. I'll answer all the questions. I have nothing to hide. All is good.
So, then they're asking again the long hours. So
no problem. So I'll give you all the questions. I'm not going to be intimidated by this government or any agency. I'm going to answer all the questions. I'm here to answer. But let's have a conclusion. Don't wake up 5 years later, 7 years later and come up with 20-year-old transactions and questions. So obviously people will not believe in these kind of agencies and the government to misuse the agency. Thank you.
All right. So that was Robert Vadra, who was giving out a statement and, as usual, crying foul, saying that the summons against him are politically motivated and the summons are about a case that backs to about 20 years back, thereby dismissing completely what the Enforcement Directorate has summoned him, saying that these summons are politically motivated and he has nothing else to say in his defense. Gopi, my colleague, is joining me live from outside the Enforcement Directorate office where Robert Vadra has been summoned. Gopi, as usual, the same narrative that has been peddled by the Vadra Gandhi family. They're going ahead, calling these summons politically motivated. What is it that you're picking up?
Well, in fact, this is not new. Time and again, Tanisha, we have seen that, how they have always called it as a political vendetta. But you cannot call this as a political vendetta because it, in fact, is a case of money laundering wherein there is over 700% of profit. When you say that a land was sold at 7.5 crore and when you are reselling it at 58 crore, it is a matter of concern. So this is exactly why ED has summoned Robert Vadra, and he will be back after lunch break. We will be seeing that as well. But yes, time and again, as you've correctly pointed out, he has mentioned this entire game plan, quote-unquote game plan, as a political vendetta. Back to you.
Right, Gopi, thank you very much for sharing.